finally we are getting the road of Birwan done right from Alex and Sons to the highway. We have been waiting for this road to be done. We have of course taken people in this position to get it done. But finally we are getting it done through Carlos, our MLA, and he has really told me that from long time back he was getting the permissions. He's got the permissions granted. Hello High Waters, he's getting this road done for us. I mean, for us this is the biggest thing because a lot of people have had accidents and fallen down because of the road not being good. For the last 2 years the road was not repaired. So finally we are getting it done and we are really grateful to you, sir, for having our work done over here. We are absolutely happy.
The work of restoration of the underground cabling dug up roads has begun in below, which we call Birwan area, which falls in ward number 8 of Mapusa municipality. And I'm happy that our tender which got passed, which is for Andona constituency, includes this area of Mapusa. I had assured about a week ago that even the Mapusa works in my constituency would be taken up, and here we are today. I thank my team led by Edwin Fernandez, who is there with me in Andona, but who looks after this area with a lot of people here. Paolo, I've been asking Paolo to take time off and to be here to supervise, and I'm grateful to him. Nandu Narvekar and Satyavan Bhosle both have also taken time off to come with me for inspections, be with the engineers, be with the supervisors, and finally to be here also on the day when we have begun the work. And I'm glad that we can do this work. First, what will be done is, please understand, we are going to have this restoration of the underground cabling digging which was done. They will put khari on it, then they will put a pre-mix, a wet mix, and then they will do a hot mix on this. So this will be part 1. After the monsoon, there will be a little settlement of this which will go down. But I've already proposed that the entire road must be totally hot mixed, so that we will have a total restoration, you will have a smooth road thereafter. But I think this is a long way off, so we don't suffer any fatalities, we don't have mishaps, we don't have problems in the forthcoming months. And I'm grateful to you all for having borne with patience. I know what has been the difficulty you all have suffered. I know the complaints I would get in my group and otherwise also. But I thank you for believing in me and making sure that you stand with me. I assure better things will also come in. Thank you.
Thank you.